Hi, I'm Michelle Sterling for Friends of Science Society. Ecojustice sent out a note saying they're jumping into the carbon pricing battle royale. They make wild claims that climate change threatens Canadians and say that a Greenhouse Gas Pollution Act would protect your health. They incorrectly conflate two different things, climate change and environment. In terms of a healthy environment, Canada has put a price on noxious air pollutants for the past 50 years. We've paid billions of dollars, and our present fuel taxes are already equivalent to a $170 a ton carbon tax. But carbon dioxide is not a noxious pollutant. It's not even on the list of pollutants, and you breathe out carbon dioxide at 40,000 parts per million with every exhalation. So yes, they will be taxing the air you breathe. Some people even propose a personal carbon ration. If you run out, you just buy from somebody with more. Well, how do you think that would work out? Carbon pricing does not work like pricing sulfur dioxide because carbon dioxide is part of everything in modern life. In life, carbon pricing is a price on everything and for nothing. Numerous studies using the UN Climate Panel's own computer models have shown that there would be only a minuscule effect on global warming from carbon prices and carbon taxes. So why this push for a carbon price and tax? Well, green billionaires want to print money from the carbon emission renewable energy certificates generated by their wind and solar investments, which are funded by carbon taxes, which are already subsidized by you. For that, they need a price on carbon. And who gets funded by green billionaires to push the carbon price angle? Well, groups like Ecojustice and their little green friends. Science shows that despite a recent rise in carbon dioxide concentration from human industry, global warming has stagnated, flatlined. Carbon dioxide is not a control knob that can fine-tune climate. The science shows that to get an accurate 10-year climate forecast, let alone 100 years, you'd need computing time that is the age of the universe squared. So when Ecojustice refers to the Al Gore vision of a nightly walk through the book of Revelations as your future, you know they're talking about faulty computer simulation, science fiction, not science, as physicist Freeman Dyson explains. Ecojustice love to lean on the law about climate, but there are other Canadian laws about policy, like those that require a full cost-benefit accounting of the socio-economic impacts. Carbon tax does not pass the test. Reaching Paris Agreement targets, which are non-binding and voluntary, would bankrupt Canada. If these Paris targets are non-binding internationally, why would we be so stupid as to make them into a national law that none of our resource competitor nations observe? Is this a carbon battle royale or a green trade war? Someone should ask Ecojustice, a registered Canadian charity that is subsidized by Canadian taxpayers for a net public benefit, why are they arguing for the destruction of this once great nation? As Professor Kelly of Cambridge has pointed out, rapid decarbonization, like that promoted by Ecojustice, would result in mass deaths. If that's the Ecojustice idea of climate justice, something has gone terribly wrong in the world, and they want you to donate to such a cause. Please read our reports and inform yourself on these important issues, and please donate to us instead. Friends of Science Society advocates for open civil debate and full cost-benefit accounting on climate and energy policies. For Friends of Science Society, I'm Michelle Sterling.